pavement. So what type of pavement available? Generally constructed. Pavement one is flexible pavement. Another is rigid pavement. Rigid pavement is generally made of concrete, and flexible pavement is generally made of bitumen. So what type of layers available for flexible pavement? Layers for flexible pavement. Water, soil soil subgrade, subbase, base, and 3 and 4 surface course. So one of the basic thing is no contraction joint is or expansion joint is provided in flexible pavement. What are the codes? Codes are generally IRC 37, IRC 37 2012 design are the design code of flexible pavement. Now let us discuss about the layers. What are the layers? So basically this is the surface course. That means this is the surface course, and this is the base course, Now this is the sub-base course, and this is the subgrade. This part is subgrade. Subgrade. Now we discuss about the thickness of the pavement surfaces later. Now discuss about the materials. Materials. What are the materials for wearing material for wearing course. Material for wearing course. So what are they providing? Smooth riding surface. First point is smooth riding surfaces. Smooth riding surfaces. It reduces the pressure exerted by the tires and take up wear due to the traffic. It provides safely against unfiltered water. So this is impermeable. Permeable. 3. How can we design this wearing course? Marshall mix design is used. Marshall mix design is used. We discuss later. We discuss later about it. Design factor. This is the flexible pavement. And now, how can we design the flexible pavement at more? So, how can we design this? The flexible. There are various techniques to design the flexible pavement. Empirical method. One is empirical method. What is empirical method? Empirical method, that means this word means based on practical experience. Semi-empirical method. So what are the empirical methods? What are the empirical methods? Empirical methods are, one is CBR method, two is group index method, and third is MacLeod method. And semi-empirical method, semi-empirical method are triaxial test, and second is now theoretical method. Theoretical methods are, one is Buckminster method. Now let us describe about group index method. Group index method. So we know that group index formula. Group index is equal to 0.2a plus 0.005ac plus 0.01bd. So what is A? A is equal to P minus 35 not greater than 40. What is B? B is P greater than 15 not greater than 40. C is P minus WL minus WL minus 40, which is not greater than 20, and D is IP greater than 10 not greater than 20. So what is P? P is basically percentage of passing, and WL is liquid limit, and IP is plasticity index. Now let us discuss about severe test. Severe test based on strength parameter. It is strength parameter of subgrade soil, strength parameter of subgrade soil So there is a particular formula of determining the thickness of the flexible pavement. T is equal to 1.75 CBR minus P by P pi. This would be in percentage, the CBR part. Generally CBR is taken at 2.5 mm penetration and 5 mm penetration. And what is P? What is P here? The P here, the value of P is in kg. Wheel load in kg. and P is tire pressure at kg per centimeter square. This formula is applicable if if the CBR value is less than 12%, then this formula is applicable. There is some limitation, limitation, there is some limitation, there is some limitation recommended limitation recommended by IRC which are the CBR test is must be performed in laboratory, not in site. The soil should be compacted, optimum moisture content, compacted at OMC. And third, the sample is soaked for 4 days before testing. So these are the common points. So these are the common points. It is compacted at OMC. These are compacted at OMC. Must be soaked for 4 days and performed in laboratory. These are the key points. And another thing is at least 3 sample is tested. The pavement design at least for 10 years, and top layer is for compacted at 95 to 100% OMC. There are specific tests to be carried out for determining the OMC. Standard Proctor test, Proctor test, modified Proctor test, and there is also some IS recommended tests also given in our textbook. These are very similar, in very slight difference between these tests. Now, what are the limitations? Now, go to the what are the limitations for CBR test? Firstly, it does not take account for damaging effect of wheel load. Secondly, it does not design for multiple or single wheel load. Thirdly, it gives total thickness of the pavement. Total thickness of the pavement, irrespective of it does not depend upon the quality of material. So does not depend upon the quality of material. So what is the formula we have learned, that is T is equal to 1.75 CBR percentage minus P by P pi. P is in kg per cm square and P is in kg. Now let us try a mathematical problem to understand it better. there is a table there is a table where which is given. We previously discussed that CBR test is only done taken reading for 2.5 mm penetration and 5 mm penetration. Now in this example 2.5 millimeter penetration is happened at 60 kg and 5 mm penetration is happened in 82 kg. Now there is specific table what are the severe percentage at 60 kg. What are the severe percentage at 60 kg? At 2.5 mm penetration, the standard load is 1377 kg. So 60 divided by 1377 into 100, that means 6000 divided by 1377 divided into 4, so 5508. So what we get, 60 divided by 1370 into 100 is equal to 4.379 percentage, that means 4.38 percentage. And similarly for 5 mm penetration, 82 divided by 2055 kg into 100, now 82 divided by 2055 into 100 is equal to 3.99%, that means 3.99%. So for 2.5 mm penetration, 60 kg, 4.38 percentage CBR, and for 5 mm penetration, 82 kg, 3.99 percentage of percentage of CBR. So now the thickness is the CPR is equal to 1.75 divided by 4.38 minus a little mistake I have. This is here, the value must be multiplied with p. The value must be multiplied with p. P is the same. And for this case also, so the value must be p. Okay, so we can, so the formula is, given that the wheel load is 4085 kg, so the total thickness we have got is 38.1. And now each and every, here given each and every soil subgrade these are the value given. And so for the compacted soil, So for the compacted soil 6% CBR, so T is equal to 1.75 P CBR percentage P by P pi. These are the will loads, and for compacted soil it is 6% minus 4085 into 7. 7, what is 7P is the will tire pressure into pi equal to 31.7 centimeter. So the thickness of the compacted soil is this 38.1 is equal to this 38.1 minus 31.7 centimeter equal to 6.4 centimeter. Poorly graded soil, poorly graded soil CBR is 12%, so T is equal to 1.75 P by CBR minus P by P pi. That means equal to 1.75 into 4085 divided by 12% minus P 4085. The tire pressure is 7 into pi equal to 20.24 centimeter. So poorly graded soil 31.7 minus 20.24 is equal to 11.46 centimeter. So well graded gravel is equal to 38.1 minus 11.46 minus 6.4 minus 4 equal to 16.24 centimeter.